Friends, today we will talk on the term investment. Now, what is investment? The money you earn is partly spent and the rest saved from meeting future expenses. Instead of keeping the savings idle, you may like to use savings in order to get a return on it in the future. This is called investment. Investment is a key to your safe and secure future. However, to overcome the impact of inflation, investments are essential and must. Investment habit is good for sound financial condition. Always remember that an investment in knowledge gives the best interest. Because of gender bias, it is believed that only gents can handle money matters and women can't. However, research has shown that women turn out to be successful investors. Now, the basic fundamental principle you have to always keep in mind, saving is equal to income minus expenses. Suppose your monthly income is 80,000 and your monthly expenses are 60,000, so saving will be rupees 20,000. Now this saving can be utilized for investment purpose. Now the next part is when to start investing. इन्वेस्टमेंट कब करना है ये हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. The sooner one starts investing, the better. By investing early, you allow your investments more to grow, increases your income by accumulating the principal and the interest or dividend earned on it year after year. So जल्दी से जल्दी इन्वेस्टमेंट कीजिए. एंड while making investment, please remember 3 golden rules for investments. One is invest early. जितना ज़्यादा जल्दी हो सके आप इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट करो. Investment regularly. Either you can invest monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly or yearly, but उसमें regularity चाहिए. And invest your investments for a long term period of time and not for short term period of time. So remember these 3 golden rules: invest early, invest regularly and invest for long term period of time. Where to invest? अभी ये पैसा जो आपका सेविंग है ये कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करने का? ये इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए आपके पास आपको 2 टाइप्स अवेलेबल है. एक physical assets and second is financial assets. Now physical assets like real estate, gold, silver, jewelry, commodities, इसमें आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. And financial assets such as fixed deposit with banks, small savings instruments with post offices, insurance or provident or pension fund or securities market related instruments like shares, bonds, debentures, इसमें आप इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं. नाउ ये इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए आपको 2 ऑप्शंस है. वन इज शॉर्ट टर्म ऑप्शन फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड सेकंड इज लॉन्ग टर्म ऑप्शन फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट. अभी शॉर्ट टर्म ऑप्शन फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट कौन से है? तो नंबर 1 सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट, मनी मार्केट और लिक्विड फंड्स, फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट विद बैंक्स. These are the 3 short-term options are available to you. And long-term options are post savings account, public provident fund, mutual funds, shares and bonds. These are the long-term options available for investment purpose. Thank you very much.